In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to PayPal in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to manage your funds more efficiently or simply streamline your payment processes, this straightforward guide will help you link these two powerful services together with ease. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in PayPal and either hit enter or click search. This will take you to the PayPal homepage where you can log into your account. Make sure you've entered your username and password correctly to gain access to your account. Before proceeding, make sure you have a copy of your Payoneer account number and routing number handy. These numbers are crucial for the process we are about to undertake. You can usually find these details by logging into your Payoneer account and navigating to the section called Global Payment Service. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, you'll want to navigate to the Wallet or Money page. On this page, you'll see various options related to managing your funds and payment methods. Look for the option marked Banks and Cards and click on it. This should bring up a list of your currently linked banks and cards. Next, you'll want to select the option to Link a Bank Account. When prompted, make sure to choose the option that allows you to link a U.S. bank account. Even if you're not based in the U.S., this is a crucial step since Payoneer accounts typically mimic U.S. bank accounts for these purposes. Now, it's time to paste the Payoneer account number and routing number you have on hand. Carefully enter the Payoneer account number into the appropriate field. Double-check for any errors, as accuracy is critical in this step to ensure a smooth connection process. Then, do the same for the routing number, being equally meticulous. Once you've entered both numbers correctly, you'll find an option to Agree and Link. Clicking this will complete the process, and you might need to wait a short period for the changes to reflect or for any verification processes to complete. Rest assured, this generally doesn't take long, and you'll soon have your Payoneer account successfully linked to your PayPal. And that's it. You've now connected your Payoneer account to PayPal, enabling fluid and versatile payment management. This setup will open up various possibilities for easier money transfers and more integrated financial management solutions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.